How to show the GPS coordinates in Sygic. Start the application, Sygic. Location service is not started, but we don't need it right now, so no thanks. Go to a location anywhere that you want and simply tap on the image once to drop a pin, like so. The GPS coordinates are here, so swipe that portion up and there it is. That's the latitude and longitude coordinate. To copy that one, simply tap and hold on it and copy it to clipboard. Okay, you can get out from this one, go to, let's say, Google Maps and tap up there. The coordinates are shown here. Either tap on that one or long press and paste is available there also. So paste. Those are the decimal GPS coordinates copied from Sygic. By the way, location was not started and internet was not started. So just to copy the locations from Sygic, you don't need those